This tutorial is brought to you by PE Prep Engine. Free study guides and practice questions at peprepengine.com.
PE Mechanical Heat Transfer, Week 3, a 12-video course covering every heat transfer topic on the NCEES PE Mechanical Thermal and Fluid Systems exam. Each formula and table indexed to the exact handbook section and page you'll look up on exam day. Heat transfer is one chapter of the handbook, Chapter 5, and it's worth 10 to 15% of the Thermal and Fluid Systems exam. 15 pages, 3 modes: conduction, convection, radiation. Every formula you need is already in there. The hard part is finding the right one under time pressure. So this course teaches handbook-driven heat transfer, not just heat transfer. Every video follows the same 4 beats: concept, setup, solve, traps. And whenever you see a formula, look for the yellow pill. It's the exact section and page in the NCEES Handbook 2.0. Practice finding those while you study. On exam day, fast handbook navigation is the whole game. Let's start. Topic 1 is Conduction Fundamentals, Fourier's Law, Thermal Conductivity, and Heat Flow Through a Plane Wall. It's the foundation everything else builds on, and it's about 10 minutes. Tap the next video to begin. PE Prep Engine, free exam prep, built by a practicing engineer. If the course helps you, subscribe. That's the only ask.
The full study guide with every equation and common exam trap is free at peprepengine.com. Link in the description. Machine design, HVAC, structural, civil, and electrical series are coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss them.